Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. In the xy plane, the point P, comma R lies on the line with the equation y equals to x plus to b, where b is a constant. The point with coordinates 2p, comma phi r lies on the point with the equation y equals to 2x plus to b. If p is not equal to 0, what is the value of r over p? Okay, the first information says a point with the coordinates p and r, it lies on the line with the equation y equals to x plus to b. Since we have this point p comma r is on the line with the equation y is equal to x plus to b, we can plug in the x coordinate p for this x over here and y coordinate r for the y over here. Then I'm getting like r is equal to p positive b. Okay, now let's consider the second information. That is, we have this point 2p comma phi r on the line with the equation y equals to 2x plus to b. That is, we can plug in the x coordinate 2p for x over here and the y coordinate phi r for the y over here. When I do so, I'm getting phi r equals to 2 times. For this x, we can plug in the x coordinate is 2p positive b. Okay, now 5r is equal to, when I multiply this 2 and 2p, I'm getting 4p positive b. Okay, let me finish writing. Okay, in both these equations, I find the constant b in common. Okay, now let me solve for b in each of these two equations. Okay, to solve for b in the first equation, I have to get rid of this p. So for that, I subtract p from both sides. When I do so, this positive p, negative p will cancel out. I'm getting r negative p equals to b. Okay, now to solve for b in this equation, I have to get rid of this 4p. For that, I subtract 4p from both sides. When I do so, this positive 4p, negative 4p will cancel out. So 5r negative 4p equals to b. I've solved for b in both the equations. So here, from the second equation, the stuff which is equivalent to b is 5r negative 4p. In the first equation, the stuff which is equivalent to b is r negative p. Since both 5r negative 4p and r negative p, both of them are equal to the same constant b, we can equate these two expressions. Then I'm getting 5r negative 4p equals to r negative p, because both of them are equivalent to the constant b. So we can equate them. Okay, since we have to find the value of r over p, we have to keep r on one side of the equation, p on the other side of the equation. Okay, let me keep r on the left side and p on the right side. For that, I have to get rid of this r on the right side and this p term on the left side. So to get rid of the r over here, I have to subtract r from both sides. And also to get rid of this negative 4p, I have to add 4p to both sides. When I do so, I'm getting, so here this negative 4p, positive 4p will cancel, positive or negative r will cancel. So 5r negative r will become 4r. So when I combine this negative p, positive 4p, I'm getting 3p. Okay, my aim is to get the value of r over p. That is, r must be divided by p. So if I want r as divided by p, so I have to divide both sides of the equation by p, so that I'm getting r over p here. And also I have to get rid of this 4, which is multiplied by r. So to get rid of this 4, I have to divide both sides by 4. So now I divide both sides of the equation by 4p, so that this 4 will cancel, this p will cancel out. I'm getting r over p equals to 3 over 4. Now I got the value of r over p, that is equals to 3 over 4. So I find this 3 over 4 in option B. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.